Hello, what do you think you know about the Samsung Galaxy S21? Well, it's the tech guy on Scale with Tech, and I'm going to be telling you some things you probably don't know about the Samsung Galaxy S21. So sit back, relax, and let's get to it. The Samsung Galaxy S phones typically launch around March, but the Samsung store has confirmed that the Samsung Galaxy S21 will launch earlier in 2021, that is on the 14th of January 2021, and sales will commence on the 29th of January 2021. So, the Samsung Galaxy S21 comes in three variants, that is the Samsung Galaxy S21, the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. Rumors have it that Samsung will stop selling phones with a bundled charger, and also that the company is thinking of removing earphones from the box. This means that the S21 might not come with a bundled charger or an earphone. So basically, if this happens, and it looks like it will, Samsung is following the footsteps of Apple. Well, other rumors have it that Samsung will include a 25-watt fast charging adapter to the S21 series in some regions, while they won't add it to some other regions. Wow. And the company is also working on a new 30-watt charging adapter that will be sold separately. So, with the rumors and leaks about the S21 series, we know we are expecting something amazing, like the S Pen support. But unfortunately, the S Pen is only going to be compatible with the Galaxy S21 Ultra. Now, let's talk about performance. The S21 series is a build on the performance left by the Galaxy S20 series and the Galaxy Note 20 series. Rumors have it that the Samsung Galaxy S21 series will come with the Snapdragon 888 processor, which will lead to notable improvements in overall speed, multitasking, and battery life. Another rumors have it that a newly improved Exynos processor will be used in the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Let's run through the variants and see what each of them has. The first is the Samsung Galaxy S21. This is the smallest of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. It comes with a 6.2-inch dynamic Full HD AMOLED screen. It also has an in-display fingerprint HD scanner. It has a triple camera consisting of a 12-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto camera. It has the Snapdragon 888 for North America and Exynos 2100 for the rest of the world. It is 5G compatible. We're expecting 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and also supports a micro SD card. It is powered by a 4000 mAh battery and a 25-watt fast charge. The standard Galaxy S21 will not have an S Pen support. It is coming with 5G, Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6. The colors which it comes in are the Phantom Violet, the Phantom Grey, the Phantom Pink, and the Phantom White. It has the One UI 3.1 and Android 11, and the pricing will start from about $850. So next we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus. This is at the middle of the range, and it comes with a 6.7 dynamic AMOLED Full HD screen, and it also has an in-display fingerprint scanner. This also has a triple camera which consists of a 12-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto. It is also powered by the Snapdragon 888 for North Americans and a Exynos 2100 for the rest of the world. It is 5G compatible. We should be expecting 8GB RAM and 128GB of storage, and it also supports the micro SD card. It is powered by a 4800 mAh battery and 25-watt fast charge. Unfortunately, the Galaxy S21 Plus will not support the S Pen 2. It also comes with 5G, the Bluetooth 5.1 and Wi-Fi 6. And then the color choices are Phantom Silver, Phantom Black, Phantom Grey, or Phantom Velvet. And it will also come with the One UI 3.1 based on Android 11. From the leaks, we can expect that the Galaxy S21 Plus will start from $1,050. Finally, we got the most premium model in the range, and that's the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra comes with the dynamic 6.8 AMOLED HD display with a resolution of 1440 x 3200, which gives us 511 pixels per inch, and it will of course have the in-display fingerprint scanner. It has a 120Hz adaptive HPO display, which means it can use 120Hz at the full Quad HD HD plus resolution, and the display will adapt its refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz to help the power efficiency. Wow. It has a quad camera setup consisting of 108 megapixel HM3 as the main sensor. We also get a 12 megapixel ultra wide and two 10 megapixels for 3 times and 10 times optical zoom. It is powered by 5 nanometer Snapdragon 888 in North America and Xenos 2100 globally. It is also 5G compatible. We are expecting 16 gig of RAM and 512 gig storage, and it supports the micro SD card. It is powered by 5000 megapixel battery with rumors of 65 watt fast charge, and the best news is that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra is going to support the S Pen, although it will be sold separately. It is also coming with the 5G, Bluetooth 5.1, Wi-Fi 6, and the color choices are going to be Phantom Black or Phantom Silver. It will be like the others and come with the One UI 3.1 based on Android 11. And the latest price leaks reports that the Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra will start from $1,250. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S21 series is looking wonderful. Even though it's got minor changes over the previous S series, there are still huge improvements which has an incredible user experience. So as more information comes in, I'll be sharing it with you guys, and I would like to know what you think in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this video. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.